After successfully assigning resources into the program, let's learn about resource leveling. Let's go to the let's check the resource usage profile, whether we have any over allocated resources. So far, comparatively to the budgeted units and maximum units, the black line is of maximum units. We don't have any over allocation. So in order to show you how the over allocation will be, I'll be showing you the over allocated profile by tweaking the program. So I'll go to the details. I'll make some activities as concurrent, like minus 10 days lag, minus 10 days. So I've made these two activities as concurrent. Along with this, some part is concurrent. So I'll schedule. Click on the schedule part. You can see the completion date has been taken back. Now let's go back to the resource usage profile to check the over allocations. So as you could notice, the activities, the resources which are over allocated. One is concrete, the other one is steel of superstructure. In a display section, you can filter by current project resources. Instead of seeing all the project resources, all other project resources, you can see only the current project resources. Also, you can customize the resource usage profile to show the budgeted, cumulative, remaining early, display cost or its units. For if you require a graph, click on the solid lines, apply, click OK. So you can see the budgeted, remaining early, over allocated, early units. This is zoom in, zoom out to view throughout the project. Legend box, you can place it, drag and place it anywhere. In order to deal with the over allocated portion thing like concrete in the month of December, that is fairly in this window period, December 2020, click on the columns of the table area. In the general, select activity leveling priority, click into the selected options, place it before calendar, click apply, click OK. So as per the default activity leveling priority, it's all normal priority. So for me, for this project, for all the superstructure work is now top priority. It's a top priority, and the first floor can be high priority. You can change the priority level to high. So second floor is also high priority. This is the requirement for leveling according to the priority order. So if you assign the priority level, which is the first priority will be given first importance, second priority will be given second importance, third priority will be given third importance. This is how it works in resource leveling. So let's go to the resource leveling option. As you could notice this, the resource leveling tab is just beside the schedule options tab. Click on the resource leveling tab. The window will pop up. Deselect all. This is the resource leveling tab. Click on the default. This is the default scenario. When you level the priorities, there is activity leveling priority is in ascending order. First will be given first priority, second will be given second priority. If you choose it to sorting by descending order, the last one, that is third, will be given first priority. So always make sure your order and give importance to that order. So I selected activity leveling priority as ascending. Level all resources, or you can select the resources which you want to level. Either we have exposed that superstructure steel and concrete is over allocated. You can choose to level only these two resources or select all, click OK. Preserve scheduled early and late dates. It will preserve the early and late dates. Consider assigning in consider assignments in other projects with priority equal higher than 5 or customized number. So if you have assigned these resources to another project, and if your priority level is less than the another project, these resources importance will be given to this project. If it is higher than the other project, then these resources importance will be more prior to other project. When you click automatically schedule level resources with scheduling, I'll discuss about this option later. So we haven't assigned any other projects with any priority, so we can preserve scheduled early and late dates. Click on the level all resources, click on the leveling. As you can see, the resources has been leveled. What has happened is the project is pushed to 5th April and the duration floor, the concrete resources is leveled, which is under the maximum units. The superstructure resources also leveled. There is no over allocation. This is because of leveling, considering all the options. Now let us look into the dependencies, like the task dependency or activity type, duration type and activity type. Here, if you change any activity as resource dependent and fixed units only, you can change the activity type into resource dependent. When you make an activity type into resource dependent, the durations will be compromised. The assigned durations will be compromised. So the resource, it will become a resource dependent activity. So let's go back and assign it as in task dependent. So these are the things you must be aware, like what is your duration type and what is your activity type. This will influence the resource loading. Click apply, click OK. And also in the scheduling part, after clicking on the schedule icon, go to the options, level resources during scheduling. You have to select this option, then close, schedule it. So, and while you scheduling, you can go to the options again, level resource during scheduling. If you select this and close it and schedule it, it automatically levels the resources. Let us see the changes here. The first floor, when it is concurrent, this one will be moved after completing this one. You can see the changes. This is because of this is a task dependent and the priority is assigned from top to yes, so that's why this will change. This is how the resource leveling works in Primavera Basics.